Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 4.2, Problem 17. This is Section 4.2, Problem 17. It says the given triangles are similar, find the length of the unknown side. So we have two triangles, the unknown side is labeled n. We need to set up a proportion. So you'll have 9 over n equals 8 over 14. So now to solve, you have two fractions that are equal to each other. You can cross multiply and divide. 9 times 14, 8 times n. So 9 times 14 equals 8 times n. Actually, the 8 over the 14, we could have reduced 4 over 7, but that's okay. We've got it started now. We might as well finish it up like this. 9 times 14 is probably bigger than most people want to do in their head, so you can just do it out the long way. 9 times 4 is 36. Write the 36. Write the 6, carry the 3. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 plus 3 more is 12. So you have 126. 9 times 14 is 126. And 8 times n we can just write as 8n. So 8n equals 126. You can solve for n by dividing the 126 by the number in front of the n, divide by the 8. So off to one side, 126 divide by 8. 8 will go into 1. It won't go. 1's not big enough. 8 will go into 12 once. 1 times 8 is 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. Bring down the next digit, which is a 6. 8 divides into 46. Well, 5 is as close as we'll get. 5 times 8 is 40. Unfortunately, it doesn't go in evenly, but so subtract 46 minus 40 is 6. The 126, think of it as a 126.0, and you can bring that decimal up. This way you have another digit that you can bring down next to the 6. 8 divides into 60. It still doesn't go in even. So it'll go in 7 times. 7 times 8 is 56. Subtract 60 minus 56 is 4. Again, it didn't go in even. I can keep adding as many zeros as I want, and eventually we can just round it off. But it'll go in now. So that extra 0 we put in, bring it down next to the 4. Now 8 divides into 40. It goes in 5 times. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 minus 40 now. We got a remainder of 0. So the length of the unknown side is 15.75. Or 15 3/4 if you like.